Hello everyone. Hi my colleagues. Hi my students. I would like to invite you for the second edition of the International Cosmetic Gynecology Conference being held here in magnificent Dubai, November 7, 8 and 9 of 2019. After the great success of our first event last year, we have expanded our conference. We got much more faculty from all over the world. We are very honored and pleasure to have one of the best names in the field of aesthetic or reconstructive or functional gynecology to share their expertise and their vast knowledge in this field for everybody who's interested in this new specialty and everybody who has been doing that kind of a new specialty that needed by many of our patients. We all know that now we have about 500 million menopausal women on planet Earth. With the baby boomer expansion, we're going to have 20% increase in that number. Believe it or not, by 2025, 1/4 of the world population, 1.1 billion living women, will live most of their adult lives in a menopausal state. Our conference is a magnificent collection of expertise who are senior with the junior interested doctors to share their expertise and knowledge in this festivity of knowledge in 2 days of lectures and a third day of 12 workshops that's sponsored by the industry, biggest name in the industry, producing equipment and devices that help our patients to achieve a better, complete physical, mental, and social gynecological well-being. I'm gonna wait for all of you to see you here in Roda Al Bustan in Dubai, November 7, 8, and 9. Thank you, everyone.